All right, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna be checking out this car vacuum cleaner I got off of Temu. And I think I paid like I think it was like $3 or something like that. And this is the box. So I say strong suction, this anti filtration, silent, and then it say powerful motor. I don't know about all that. I was just testing out off camera, but that's the wattage and all the good stuff. And this is what it is. So, see if I can do this one hand. Yep. So that's the filtration they was talking about. And you can just take that off. Boom, bada bing. Take that off. Come on, one hand. Boom. And so you kind of see the mess I'm working with. I'm gonna try to see if it get all this up. But if not, I got some stuff in the back. It's not that bad, but so I'm gonna put this bad boy together. Let me show you this. Matter of fact, yeah. So plug right into like your cigarette outlet, and that's what it is. So I'm gonna get this set up and then pick the camera back up. All right, so I got it plugged up back here in my van. Got an outlet back here and up there. That one's not working for some reason, but this one works. But yeah, so just plug right in. Boom, bada bing. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to just vacuum this a little bit and see what we do. So this what it is. Let's see. I think it's more sweeping than anything. It's like no suction at all. $3. I think they really want like, it was like $50 on there or something. Yeah, this is sweet. Let me take this piece off. So you can hear the suction. Let's see down here. Look at that. Come on. Yeah, I don't think it even works. Like no suction at all. See, that's in there, but let me see. Look, I'm not even getting it. I'm kind of going too hard. I'm gonna try to go up front and see what's going on. Throw it up there. Let's see up here. It's doing a little bit better. Oh yeah. So you gotta like sweep it up there. It's not really got that much suction. Fucking know what it say? I don't suction my ass. Look at this. Yeah, so there's something in there. But for $3, I mean, it works. Kinda. It's like you gotta let me know if it's cleaner. Vacuum right here. Yeah, so you probably gonna be here all night messing with this thing. But for what it is, I guess it works. Car vacuum. I don't know about the strong suction and all that stuff it's talking about. I don't know. Yeah, God, let me know what you guys think about this thing, man. This thing works. That's all I can say.